First, clean surface where seal adheres. Then peel off paper backing and adhere seal flush with top of bulkhead on inside of front corners. Position front of side rail a 1/4 inch away from bulkhead and flush with top of box. Ensure clamps are in proper orientation. Then place front clamps as close to bulkhead as possible and secure with nut. Measuring from bulkhead, locate slots under top railing for remaining clamp placement. Loosen clamps and slide into slot in box rail and secure with nut. Verify side rail is level. Torque all clamps to 20 foot-pounds. Repeat this process to install side rail on opposite side. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.